Hey, if you're looking for the best protection for your screen and your phone on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, don't look any farther. This is it. This is the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector, one of the best glass protectors out there. Doesn't cover your selfie lens, which is really important. We're going to talk more about that in a little bit. And this is the iBlason Armorbox, one tough case for your phone. With the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector, you're going to get two of them in this package right here. And it takes a little patience to put on. Make sure you have a leveled area to work on. Take your time, look at a YouTube video on how to install it, and then just do it in a place that you're not next to a cat or any hair or dust. All right, let's take a close look at the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Look at the sides there. Look how perfect it goes right along the sides, but doesn't interfere with the iBlason Armorbox at all. I've taken the Armorbox off of the phone with the glass still attached. Haven't had any issues of pop-up around the side. Take a look at the camera lens right there. You see that? It's not covering up the camera. Do not get a glass protector that covers the camera, otherwise you will get a halo when you're filming in the sun. Highly recommend this one. And I've had this type of the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector on the iBlason Armorboxes for many years with all my other Galaxy phones. Love it. Would not put anything else on the phone to protect it. I've dropped the phone quite a few times in the past. What will happen is sometimes the side will pop up, or maybe there'll be a little tiny crack, but that's doing its job. And then you just go ahead and install the other one. Remember, the Whitestone Dome comes with two of these, and so I think that'll set you up for a whole year. You know, it depends on how much times you drop your phone, but for me, I usually it's about one drop per year, and otherwise sometimes it even drops, doesn't do anything at all, won't pop up, and just like, wow, you know, there's no damage whatsoever. This is a really high quality glass, very smooth to the touch, can barely even tell it's on there, have no issue with the fingerprint reader, and easy to clean. So I'm just so loving it. This is that iBlason Armorbox. It has that MagSafe right here, kickstand right here, nice beautiful kickstand, nice big bumpers, beefy bumpers around the side, non-slip grip. The buttons are so easy to push on this, just feels rugged. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Again, this is my experience, my own thoughts, but I feel like this is the best protection you can get for your phone. I've had this on all of my phones for many years, would not use anything else. I've traveled across the country and had a lot of drops and spills and things like that. Never have to worry about it. This thing, both of these totally protect my phone. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. I'd sure appreciate a comment down below. Do you have one of these? Do you have the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector or the iBlason? Love to hear your thoughts about it. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.